That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. These here Burly Bagger bar kits. Okay, this is a 13-inch apes, which Burly do, and this is your full kit. Okay, also available for ape hangers and various other bikes. As you can see, you've got your cable kit here, your wiring extensions. These basically plug straight onto yours. You take your plug off, they become the new pins. You stick into your old plug, shrink wrap over the top. Your brake line's complete. These are all separate, so it means you can adjust the angle as well. You've got new throttle cables, new clutch cable. If it's an hydraulic clutch, you would get a hydraulic line, and also if it's electronic throttle, you get an electronic throttle extension. Okay, if you're interested in these great parts, give us a bell. 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Come complete with all wiring instructions. Very easy to do. Simple slip-on, cut, soldering and welding. Soldering and heat shrinking and cutting wires, etc. Give us a call. 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.